Congratulations, class. If you've made it to this final video, you are in my good books. Just kidding, you all in my good books. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at number 11. Number 11 is a division problem. Okay, and we know that division means how many times can this number, the divisor, fit into this number, which we call our dividend. One way we can find out is counting by our divisor. So let's count by fives until we get to 25. Let's count by fives until we get to 25. And I'll go ahead and write those numbers out. We have 5, and then 10, and then 15, and I'll go down a little bit, and then 20, and then 25. How many times did we count by fives? How many fives did we use to get to 25? Well, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used 5 fives, so that means 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, we're going to use that basic fact to help us in number 12. We're going to do 25. I know it says 250. I know it says 250, but we're going to ignore the 0 for now. We're going to do 25 divided by 5, which is once again 5. And since our dividend has an extra 0, we're going to tag on that extra 0 in our answer. So 250 divided by 5 is 50. Okay, let's do the same with our next problem. I know this says 2,500 divided by 5, but we're going to ignore the zeros for now, and we're just going to look at the 25 divided by 5, which is still 5, but as you may have guessed already, there are 2 zeros here, so we tag on 2 zeros in our answer. If there are 2 extra zeros in your dividend, the number you are dividing, you put 2 extra zeros in your answer. And that's that. Let's look at 14. Now we are dealing with division that may or may not have remainders. 15 divided by 5. Again, this is how many fives can sort of fit into 15. So let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15. And we landed exactly on 15. So that was 1, 2, 3 fives that we used. So we used exactly 3 fives, and there was 0 left over. If you're unsure about what we mean by leftover, let's look at number 15. So it makes a little bit more sense what we mean by leftover. In 15, it says 21 divided by 4. So we know we're counting by fours until we get to, or get as close as we can to 21 without going over. Let's count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and we stop at 20 because if we go to 24, then we're over this 21. So we have to stop at 20. Let's see how many fours we used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used 5 fours. And how much was left over? Well, from 20 to 21, there's a difference of 1. 21 minus 20 is 1. So there's 1 left over that we couldn't include in our counting by fours. And class, you made it. You made it to the last problem of the last practice video for quiz 4. And this problem says 67 divided by 10. So we know we need to count by tens until we get to 67 without going over, to get as close as we can get to 67 without going over. I'll count by tens here at the top. Seems like we have space here. 10, 20, 30, 40. Counting by tens is so fun. 50 and 60, and we can't go to 70. Let me draw a line here to separate this from our other problems. We can't go to 70 because 70 would be over this 67. We have to get as close as we can get without going over. And how many tens did we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used 6 tens. So our answer is 6, but there is a remainder. There is some that's left over. From 60 to 67, there were 7 left over that we couldn't include in our 6 tens. So the answer is 6 with 7 left over. Great work, class. Great work.